mga alas 2 siguro ng umaga yon, dinala ako sa sugarcane field sa likod ng peace headquarters. Pinaluhod ako, tapos tumutok na sila ng M16 rifle dito sa akin. Tapos sabi nila na naririnig mo ba yung mga palaka? Sabi ko, opo Sarge. Nakikita mo ba yung buwan? Sabi ko, opo Sarge. Sabi niya, pakinggan mo ng mabuti ang palaka at yan na lang ang huling sound na makikita mo. Jesus Cordero may be the son of a Marcos minister, but when he was senator as chairman of the Human Rights Committee, he was responsible for the passage of many human rights laws, anti-torture law, anti-enforced disappearance law, and more importantly, the recognition and compensation law for the Marcos human rights victims. Long time before nag-isip siya maging vice presidente, ang tayo niya sa human rights issues, klaro na, in favor of human rights violations victims. May gut siya na sabihin na nung panahon ng martial law, kung saan ministro ang tatay niya, merong human rights violations.